Good morning, 7th class. These days we are doing our unit capital letters and punctuation. Which unit is going on? Capital letters and punctuation. So, day before yesterday we discussed capital letters. Yesterday we discussed punctuation marks and stops at the end. Full stop, question mark, and sign of exclamation. There were three: full stop, question mark, and sign of exclamation. So today we are going to discuss the comma. The comma. Comma everybody knows? Yes. The comma represents the shortest pause. Its main uses are as: comma is called the shortest pause. Shortest pause. When several words of the same parts of speech follow one another without a conjunction, comma are placed between them. See the example. Many nouns are there. I bought apples, oranges, bananas, and guavas. So they all are noun: apples, comma, oranges, comma, bananas, and guavas. So comma is there. Then second one, see adjectives are there. She is pretty, comma, intelligent, comma, honest, and sweet-tempered. So these all are adjectives. So comma is placed in between them. She came slowly, silently, and gracefully. So it is adverbs. It is adverbs. He thinks, speaks, and acts wisely. So what are these? Thinks, speaks, and acts. These all are verbs. So what we have discussed, if same words of the parts of speech, several words of the same part of speech follow one another, so they are separated with comma, the shortest pause. Clear? Okay, now see the second point. When words of the same class follow each other in pair, a comma is placed between each pair, not each word, each pair. See here, men and women, comma, boys and girls, comma, they all attend the function. Men and women, comma, boys and girls, comma, they all attended the function. Second, see, now you can travel by tonga or rickshaw, comma, by bus or car, comma, by train or plane. So what are they? They are the pair and they are separated by comma. Now, before or after the vocative case. Vocative means we are talking to just Subhash, come in Subhash. To mark off a word or group of words in opposition means Aziz Ahmed, the monitor of the class. Who is Aziz Ahmed? The monitor of the class is an intelligent boy. India, our country, is very dear to us. Okay? So India, comma, our country is very dear to us. So these are the word or the group of words in opposition. In opposition of Aziz Ahmed, in opposition of India. Now, to mark off a direct quotation. To mark off a direct quotation, I said, you shall get a prize. He is not a thief, said his brother. To separate words, phrases, and clauses let into the body of a sentence. See how it is. He, however, could not help me. He is, no doubt, my friend. Mohinder, as I have already said, was an excellent batsman. I will, if I can, help you. So these are the words or phrases or clauses let into the body of a sentence. Now see another word. To separate an adverb clause from the principal clause when it is placed before the principal clause. Principal clause means main clause, and to separate an adverb clause from the principal clause when it is placed before the principal clause. If I go to Delhi, I will visit my brother. Whenever he saw her, she greeted her. Whenever he saw her, she greeted her. So it is the adverb clause separated from the principal clause. To separate an introductory or transitional word or phrase from the rest of the sentence. No, you can't go like this. In fact, I have never heard of him. In fact, I have never heard of him. So let us try to solve an exercise to insert comma, to put comma where it is necessary. I can't help you, dear friend. So where will you write? I can't help you, comma, dear friend. She was a kind, comma, sincere and honest. It is right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, comma, sir. Akbar, it is said, was a great ruler. Akbar, comma, it is said, comma, was a great ruler. If you really love me, help me now. If you really love me, comma, help me now. What after all is the trouble? What, comma, after all is the trouble? Go to post office, buy a postcard and come back. So it is go to post office, comma, buy a postcard and come back. Well, you may go now. Well, comma, you may go now. Satish, the youngest brother, was intelligent. Satish, comma, the youngest brother, comma, was intelligent. It is opposition. This is, you know, is the last chance. This, as you know, this, comma, as you know, is the last chance. He, however, hasn't asked for money. He, comma, however, comma, hasn't asked for money. My brother has a car, comma, a TV set and a refrigerator. The balloon seller had red, comma, pink, comma, blue and green balloons. They all are adjectives. Day and night, comma, asleep or awake, he was being watched. Day and night, comma, asleep and awake, comma, he was being watched. When the cat is away, comma, the mice must play. So we have discussed the exercise and it's very easy. You can do it very easily. Okay? Now, what is apostrophe? Apostrophe. See on number 7, it is there. One sign is there, a small comma like, and it is upside. This is apostrophe number 7. To form the possessive case. Apostrophe is used to form the possessive case. See here, by adding s to singular words. The boy's coat, Sheila's hair, the man's face, a lady's work, the dog's legs, India's heroes by adding an apostrophe to plural words ending in S. For example, the boys' books, our friends' houses, the soldiers' uniform by adding apostrophe S to other plural words, the man's voices, the women's garments, the children's toys. To indicate the omission of some letter or letters. CAN''T, it is cannot, can't, ever, you are, here is, want, we have. To form the plurals of letters and figures, teas, peas, teas means many teas, peas means many pea. Sevens means many seven, nines means many nine. Now see how to solve this exercise. Let us try to solve this. The sea is surface. C is one, then the SEA''S, surface. The monkeys' faces, sixth number, monkeys are many. Then MONKEYS, then apostrophe. A week's time, week is one. WEEK, S. Then my father's diary, FATHER, apostrophe S, fathers. Boys' uniforms, boys are many. Then BOYS, apostrophe and uniforms. Number 4, the boy's pen, the boy is one. BOY, apostrophe S, pen. The children's playground, CHILDREN, apostrophe S, playground. The number 8, the women's coat, WOMEN, apostrophe S, coats. Number 9, the woman's voice, WOMAN, apostrophe S, voice. Brown's friend, BROWN, apostrophe S, friends. Brown's friend. And one exercise is left. You try to solve it. See the example from the apostrophe and try to solve this exercise. Tomorrow we shall discuss this exercise and I shall tell you the answers. Okay? Bye for today.